Hello everyone, my name is Gian. Welcome back to my channel. So if you notice, yes, I'm wearing the same shirt as when I filmed the video for Hello Stranger. It's because I'm filming this on the same night. Today we have Hello Stranger. We have Game Boys episode 6. I feel like I need to slow down with Game Boys with the upcoming episodes, or I promise I'll react to 7 and 8 also this week. So before Friday, that reaction video will be up. Okay? Okay. So, let's not delay this any further. Let's start.
What's on your mind, Kai? Nakakainis.
Oh yeah, they had a rough patch. They hit a bumpy road. Guy, you better do
Saying
something.
sorry to someone you love is hard, but it's easier than losing someone you love for not saying sorry. Bakit naman ako magsusorry?
You accused him of stuff that weren't proven true coming from an ex.
Miss you, baby. Miss mo na rin ako, ano? Sige na, mini mo na.
Hindi no. Ba't naman kita mamimiss?
Stop denying it.
Talaga.
It's gonna haunt you.
What is the sweetest thing you've done? Naging gamer ako.
Kai, please.
Uy! Anyari?
Ha?
Ha? Ha?
I'm getting annoyed.
Of acting, ah.
Kasi ako nag-iisip eh.
Ay, hindi mo sa akin dapat sinasabi yan.
Because of Terrence.
Tinatawagan ko siya, Pearl, hindi siya sumasagot. May nasabi kasi ako eh.
Ano nga, ang tagal ah. Manonood pa akong crash landing on you.
Guys, oh my gosh. Crash landing. Captain Ree.
Ginagamit niya lang yung memory ng lola niya para mapalapit sa akin.
Oh my God, sinabi mo yan? Ano kung nandito ka lang, nakutusan na kita. Alam mo, sobrang sensitive
Same.
yung pagdating sa lola niya. Hindi nga yung lumabas ng ilang buwan eh. Simula na namatay yung lola niya eh. Kaya nga ako napilitan mag-move in sa kanya eh.
So, totoo yung mga sinasabi niya sa akin?
Hindi ko alam kung ano sinabi sa'yo ni Gab, okay? Paano mo ba kasi naisip yan?
Terrence.
Paging Terrence.
Nabanggit niya sa akin.
Si Terrence? Paano mo nakilala yung bugok na yun?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so this confirms it. Terrence is not a good person. Pearl confirms it. That reaction from Pearl confirms it.
Pero bakit pa kasi mas maniniwala ka pa kay Terrence kaysa kay Gab?
See? Oh my gosh, that's exactly what I said. Pearl, I love you so much.
Ay,
See, like Pearl is all of us, I
Kasi
swear.
mamaya makagulo lang ako eh.
It's so good how they wrote her parts.
Pero nasa inyo na yun kung magbabati pa kayo. Pero sayang, alam mo, cute pa namang dalawa. I stand Kyril. And now, my Kyril heart is breaking. Nakasakit ka, di ba?
Guys, Kyril or Gavro?
Up or down? Siyempre up, no? Sino gusto ng down, 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 di ba?
Ako.
Slow or fast? Ay,
Let's answer this nga din. Slow or fast? For me, I like slow. Yung cherish the moment, you know?
bet ko yung slow muna sa start. Tapos,
And then later on, fast. Oh,
Oh, patawag ka. Ikaw, ano nangyari?
now that stuff has happened, I know like in the previous episode, I was like,
Hi, Terrence.
now I'm like,
Bye, Terrence. Thank you next, Terrence.
don't find you cute anymore, Terrence.
Nakagising ko lang.
But the actor is cute. Okay, the actor is cute. I have nothing against the actor.
Bakit? Okay ka na ba kamustahin?
Pwede naman, kaya lang masama rin talaga yung paramdam ko ngayon.
Okay ka lang? Gusto mo puntahan kita?
ba? I-receive mo na ba yung pinag-deliver?
Ano?
He's sending him stuff. Boundaries? Have you no knowledge of
Boundaries?
you freaking messed up the relationship, which was still starting? Oh my gosh, I'm so mad.
Oh, thank you, man.
Gab. I miss
Sige
you.
na, papahinga na ako.
We're done there. This is tiring, guys. I'm so tired. Whew. I feel like this episode, reacting to this one episode is a good idea. But then 7 and 8 are coming up. Wish me luck.
Okay, sige. Get well soon, love.
Terrence.
What did he say? Get well soon, love! The audacity of this ex. He's taking advantage of his feelings. I swear, that's not right.
Ayan. What's the most difficult thing to admit
That you're in love? That you did something wrong?
when I know I'm wrong? What's one thing you regret?
Okay, the first thing that came into my mind, I mentioned this in my growing up gay video, was not playing volleyball, not trying out for the high school team. Yeah, I regret not playing the sport legitimately. Let's see Kai's answer.
Do you like someone?
Do I like someone? I like a lot of someones. And they're all mainly on my phone.
Next. The party is exclusive to my friends.
This is so sketchy. I would not entertain that at all.
This is not a clue. First come, first serve. First come, first serve? First picture ba ito? Saan naman kayang hidden message?
My brain lagged again. Okay. Is this Gav? Is this... Oh my gosh, guys, wait. I have to repeat. Is this Gav's? Oh yeah, it is Gav's. Okay, sorry. Okay. I was like, is Kai sending stuff to himself? Sorry. Oh my gosh, my one brain cell again is working so hard.
Tara, G?
Game?
G? Ah! Gmail.
That was so... See, Gav is smart. Like, Gav is so smart. And Kai is also so smart for making this. Oh, they're perfect for each other.
You're one step to making it to the party.
What?
Yo, 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 siguro dapat kong sabihin ng hello, low, low para hindi ka magreklamo sa pagbati ko. Sa pagpilit mo, pipilitin ko na hindi magsusunod.
He can rap?
Kai can rap?
What is happening? Okay, this is apology. Okay. Pagbigyan na natin.
Aking dilim, isa ka sa dahilan kung ba't ako ay gising. Nagkamali nga ako, huwag mo sana itong tapusin. Laro natin ay nagsisilbing tulay na nag-uugnay sa ating mga buhay. Angel of me. Buti palit ka ng damit. Maskit nga na nakakostume ko kanina eh. Sakasarin mo ako. Yan, tulad niyan. Oy. Hindi sorry bang ganyan, hindi makatingin? Ano ko malaman kung sincere ka? Mga pa bang hindi sincere yun?
Can you please stop being
Hindi sorry bang
mean?
masungit? Hindi mo talaga akong papatawad? Hindi. Hindi ko na kayang tiisin.
I was waiting for that. Oh my guys!
So okay na tayo? Yes, na. Isip ka talaga, ano? Namiss lang kitang kulit ng baby.
araw mo ako di kinausap eh.
Siyempre, nasaktan talaga ako.
I cannot get used to the baby. I can't. I really can't.
Akala ko
Ano
naman,
naman, mawala na ako sa buhay mo. Ay, chu.
grabe siya. Parang tanga.
Kasi ako, angel of peace eh.
Ewan.
Angel of love.
Alam ko na.
Angel of love.
Angel of
Okay, that was better. Gabriel, I swear. His brain, I swear.
It's so sexy.
I'm turning red again. Oh my gosh, kitang-kita dito.
Paano yung rap mo? Paano? Yo. Ano yan? Hindi.
Ikaw makasar ka na nga lang, hindi pa. At sino nagsabi sa'yo type kita? Ha?
Doon po kailangan.
It's obvious.
Kita naman po sa effort.
Mm-hmm.
What's one thing you can do for love?
That's a very hard question. I don't know. The first thing that came into my mind was be honest.
Anything and everything. Have you cheated on someone?
Have I cheated on someone? No. I've never been in a real relationship. Next question, please.
Never! Are you bitter and unhappy? Mas lalong hindi.
Bitter and unhappy.
Ay, Terrence, ano sa atin? Ano yung emergency?
Terrence talaga.
Gav, please be smart. Please be smart about this.
Just like the old times.
No.
Matagal na kaming wala. Tapos na kami, okay? Miss na kita.
Terrence, alam mo kung anong pinagsasabi mo, ha?
Please, okay, wait lang. Bago ka magsalita, may i-add ako sa call natin.
Cairo?
Terrence, ano ba to?
This is so fishy.
Baka makugulo lang ako sa inyo.
Guys, relax.
I don't know what he's trying to do. What the heck?
Wait, bakit nandito si Pearl?
Pearl save them. I swear, please.
Tatanggapin ko tong invitation mo.
Threesome? Nakakagulo ba ako?
Gusto ko lang naman mag-apologize kay Kai.
I don't think that's what he wants to do.
Bakit magkakilala ba kayo?
Oo. Siya yun. Siya yung nagkwento sa akin tungkol sa lola mo. Tsaka kung ano-ano pa pinagsasabi niyan.
Sorry I don't wanna be mean, pero di ba cheater ka?
Oh,
Tapos
shit.
gusto mo, tatawagin ka pa rin love ni Gab?
I am loving this. So much tea is being spilled.
I messed up!
He is so confusing. He wants to get back with Gav, but hello?
Gab is done with you.
You can't force that.
The worst decision I ever made. Gav, bumalik ka na sa akin, love. Please.
Totoo ba to? Grabe, nakakaloka, parang K-drama.
Pearl is me. I swear. I love you, Pearl. Pearl. I wanna be friends with her. Like, swear.
Alam mo, Terrence, pinatawad na kita.
Iniwan mo ako para kay Michelle yung mga panahulog mo ako nung nawala si Lola Cora.
Darating din kami dyan, di naman kami nagmamadali eh.
Ano nakita mo dyan? Is this a passing fancy? Hobby na madali mo lang pagsasawaan. Gav!
You don't know that. Okay, Terrence? You might as well know that because they share everything on their stories and on Facebook and on their streams. Like, enough to show that they like each other.
Mas compatible tayo. We like doing the same things. We like going to the same places. And for fuck's sake, we even used to have the same taste in women.
You may have the same interests, but he learned to like what Kyra likes. That's different. That's like on a whole different level. Pearl!
Wala naman pinagsamahan natin. Di tulad nung mukhang butihin na yan.
What? Oh, mukhang butike. Wow! Nagsalita yung mistisong mukhang palaka.
At least,
Oh shit, no, this is going too far, guys.
nagpapapansin sa taong ayaw na sa'yo. Gago ka pala eh. Mas gago ka.
Hoy, kalma lang guys. Ano? Magpa-virtual sa bunutan ba kayo? Nakaka-depress na yung nangyayari sa mundo.
I'm like, I'm so tired. I'm so amazed how they acted out so well.
Hoy, pwede niyo naman pag-usapan niyo na mabuti, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Hoy, Gav, ang haba ng hair mo ah.
Tanga-tanga ko dahil hinayaan ko mawala.
Stop forcing it, Terrence.
Ayun, wala na akong pakialam. Love, please, bumalik ka na sa akin.
Terrence, tapos na tayo.
Yeah.
Hindi na ako babalik sa'yo.
How can you even like this guy?
That's none of your business.
So low. Masungit talaga yan.
Ano mo to?
Kahit sagit pa lang kami nagkakakilala, alam ko sa sarili ko. Kaya ko siyang ipaglaban kahit kanino, kahit sa'yo pa. Paglalaban mo siya? Eh ikaw, ipaglalaban ka ba niya? In the first place, gusto ka ba niya? O ano? Ba't hindi ka makaimik?
Guy, please.
Ano, hindi mo alam? Kasi kung hindi mo naman pala siya gusto, kahit ayaw pa niya sa akin, gagawin ko yung lahat. Piliin niya lang ulit ako. Gusto mo ba si Gab? Oo, hindi.
Okay, first of all, you can't just put someone in the hot seat like that. Like, that's between Gav and Kai, you know? It's not his fault. It's not Kai's fault if he's not yet there. It's obvious he's getting there. He cares for Gav. But then here we have Terrence assaulting the relationship, which is none of his business, I swear. I understand why Kai can say yes yet. I understand how confusing it must be for him, you know? Especially if this is his first, and especially if you've never really explored that side about you, maybe. I'm rambling, but that's what's in going through my head right now. Please wait for F7 and F8. I will definitely catch up before the new episode airs this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this reaction, please hit the thumbs up button. If you like to see more of my content on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would help me a lot. And if you have any thoughts and any character analysis, story analysis, I welcome that a lot. I like it when people notice things that I miss out. Yeah, please comment it down below. And until the next video, stay safe everyone. I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you're all doing well. Don't go out unless it's absolutely necessary, you guys. Please. Like, the virus is hitting closer to home. So, yeah. Okay. Bye.